Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to transfer your XRP from Metamask to Robinhood. It's a straightforward process, but with all the updates to blockchain tech, we'll make sure you're doing it right. I'm excited to walk you through this step by step, so you can move your assets securely and efficiently. First off, why bother? Sending XRP to Robinhood lets you trade it alongside stocks and other cryptos in one app, which is super convenient for beginners. Before we start, ensure you have Metamask installed on your browser and linked to your wallet. You'll also need a verified Robinhood account with crypto features enabled. Oh, and don't forget to have some XRP in your Metamask. Let's aim for at least a small amount to cover any transaction fees. Step 1. Open Metamask and double-check you're on the correct network. XRP isn't native to Ethereum, so you might need to use a bridged token like wrapped XRP on the Ethereum network. If you're not sure, look for tutorials on bridging assets, it's a quick setup. Step 2. In Metamask, go to your Assets tab and select XRP. Verify your balance and note any gas fees, as these can vary based on network congestion in 2025. Step 3. Head over to your Robinhood app or website. Navigate to the crypto section, select XRP, and generate or find your deposit address. Make sure it's specifically for XRP to avoid any mix-ups. Step 4. Back in Metamask, click Send, and paste the Robinhood address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, double-check everything, and hit Confirm. You'll get a transaction preview, review the fees and details before proceeding. Step 5. Wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, but keep an eye on your Metamask for confirmations. Once it's done, log back into Robinhood and refresh your portfolio to see your XRP arrive. A quick tip: always use hardware wallets for larger amounts and be wary of phishing sites. Crypto can be volatile, so only transfer what you're comfortable with. There you have it. That's how to send XRP from Metamask to Robinhood in 2025. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Let's keep learning together.